Hey guys, Dalton here with US Steam, and now you've unboxed your Eagle Plus, and now we've gone through the how to use and set up. We're going to go over the accessories. So we want to make sure that you understand the full grasp of each accessory and kind of what you can do with each one. Most commonly, and this is something that I get asked a lot, which is what accessories do you use the most? For me personally, and in 12 years of being a part of this business, owning this business, I have found that the two things that I use the most are going to be the single hole nozzle and the small extraction nozzle. But you can use all of these in all different ways, and I've found that some customers use them certain ways for certain items versus the other customer uses the same accessory for a different thing. So we'll go through a few different things I want to touch on, but the number one that we're going to go over first is going to be the single hole nozzle. So the single hole nozzle, the squeegee can remove, and if you don't need the vacuum, you can just take the squeegee off to get it out of your way. You're going to attach whether it be the 1-inch brass, 1-inch nylon, or the 3-inch brass or 3-inch nylon brushes directly to the single hole nozzle. You can use it on tile and grout. Any of your surfaces, let's say like a kitchen equipment or anything you're trying to scrub, right? We're going to attach the brush accordingly. So the smaller brushes are better for like grout lines, it's hard to reach areas, tight little nooks and crannies. And then the larger brushes are better for just flat surfaces. So stainless steel, like if you've got a kitchen or if you're doing just a big tile area or a certain floor space that has kind of a buildup that you're trying to remove. So that is where the single hole nozzle will be very effective. Now, you can switch to the extraction nozzles, and that is going to give you a little bit different process. It's going to limit the type of bristle you can put on, obviously, because the squeegees that we have that pop on and off, and as you can see, they're really hard to get on and off, right? These are going to be perfect for cleaning all sorts of flat surfaces because you have a little bit of a nylon brush right here as well as a squeegee attachment. And anytime you're using the accessory, no matter which one it is, except for the nozzle, I should say, you always want to reach away and pull back towards you. And that's what that's going to do is going to create the bristle hits that surface first, then the squeegee hits behind it to kind of vacuum up that residual mess. When it comes to, let's say, cleaning a floor with tile and grout or a large stainless area, right? I often, personally, I reach for these guys because what I find is that with the squeegee and the wider head here, you can really kind of vacuum and clean that mess up that you made. It's also fun to watch what you have cleaned, and with the clear attachment, the clear head, you can see all of that. The other is going to be the floor brush that's made for wide use, so right, obviously very simple, a floor brush. We've got a number of steam ports across here, the nylon bristles, and then the squeegee as well. Same concept. We always want to reach away and pull towards us. Now, I get asked a lot, well, how does a floor brush work for scrubbing? Well, what we do is we're going to kind of rest it on its heel, and that way you can get to those bristles and you kind of release the squeegee from the surface. And as you kind of push back and forth, when you're ready to vacuum, you then turn it flat and kind of nose down just a little, and you pull back. And that's going to vacuum up using the squeegee and putting it right into the vacuum attachment there. Now, one attachment that I didn't touch on at the beginning, but is similar to the single hole nozzle, is going to be the long single hole nozzle. So this is great because it allows you to get in those really hard to reach areas. So you can kind of reach behind a toilet or reach into an oven, right? Somewhere that's really challenging to get to. So that's where this is most effective. I recommend that we do not use this on the floor. What happens is as you have the extension wands attached and we're trying to use, let's say we've got the grout brushes on the end here, we're pushing, you're going to eventually break this because you're putting leverage in it. It's just too long. The single hole nozzle is much shorter, and that is where it's more effective. It has less of a pressure point, if you will, or a leverage point. So this is, in my opinion, used better on like toilets. Oftentimes, like I said, around the backs of the toilets, the urinals, kitchens. I see a lot of times like you're trying to clean back behind fryers or anywhere that gets a lot of grease and buildup. And you can attach these same brushes to that. So like a vent hood, for example, right, to give yourself a little more leverage overhead. That would be very beneficial. So all of the attachments are very easy to use. They do all directly interchange with the hose handle or the extension ones. You have to figure out kind of what's best for you and what application you have. But like I've told people most of the time, for me personally, and what I can use as far as cleaning a number of different areas or a number of different surfaces are going to be these two right here. Simply because the single hole nozzle, you can change the brushes in and out, you can scrub, and then on the smaller extraction nozzle, it's just a little bit narrower, allows me to get around and be a little more mobile. So those are the accessories, and that's a little bit how to use them.